all the people from the village that helped her out for this. Chris again and Harley for taking the time to come down and to give us a little bit of a presentation. Representative Kirkman is here. I don't know if anybody introduced her or not. And Darren from West of the Eye is here. So all of this is going to be on his website, which is westoftheeye.com. So make sure you take a look at that. So we're going to go with first place.
First place.
First place is Frosty and Shannon, which is a dog and drag. Right here. Second place is Xena the Witch Dog, which is right here. And the last place that everybody, I want to thank everybody for taking the time to come out and decorating your animal. And again, thank you for allowing me to be the judge. But third is with Vivo and Katie right here. So, thank you everybody.